Hello YouTube viewers, and my subscribers. This is a little thing I've made up. Can I focus? Focus. It's not on focus for some stupid reason. I was just trying to do it. This especially has come from the channel. Or have a little bit of fun. This is a shitload of fireworks in one little tiny container. And I don't like this. Then I'm gonna get away because it's full of gunpowder and fireworks. So let's say no, that because that's powerful enough. I personally believe it can blow that. So let's just stick it right there, and it's one of them. Now let me get it. It's 3 of these. So let's see what happens. Sorry, running away. Pretty much all. And then the smoke. And a little bit of fire. Pretty much shot it hit all at one time. I was hoping that'd go big boom, but I didn't really pack it right either. Or anything. So that's what it is right there. No, this is not gonna burn. That's just some burn itself out. Let me see something. See if I can get right there. Yeah, it's just gonna burn itself out. But I got bored. I was like, oh, what the hell? Let's do a YouTube video, right? Sorry it's not more spectacular. I was hoping to just go kaboom. Tell you the truth, but honestly, I knew what I was gonna do. I just didn't want to be close to it. Let's break this. And even get that right there. Yes, that's on burnout. So, but it was cool. There's no way this is online. It's been raining really bad down in Georgia, in Temple, Georgia for a while, so for all day. So it won't light or anything. So I appreciate you guys watching. Please like, subscribe, and comment on my video. God bless.